that I ain't going nowhere. I ain't blowing no smoke. I mean, I've been sober, but you should've known it, that I wasn't going.
Seeking you'll find there's nothing better than the living God.
Always keep your what?
My Jesus seems to ever be.
What's good, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Hope you subscribe and join my beautiful family. And if you've been here before, thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, we're going to be doing a little mini vlog of a day in my life. I'm going to be showing you how my morning routine has changed. I have a morning routine now. You saw me doing my bed and just getting my day started. I also read a Bible and I did a little bit of journaling. Those are little things that I've been doing every single day. New habits that I've been picking up. I'm just trying to be a better version of myself, like I mentioned in the previous video. If you've watched it, if you haven't, anyway, I've just finished eating now. I want to finish through this intro because it's starting to get loud. I don't know what are they doing. There's always construction happening in my area, but it's almost 11 now. I feel like I've done a lot ever since ever since I woke up, because I feel really tired. I slept late yesterday and then I had to wake up at 5:30. So I feel a little tired. I think I'm running on about 3-4 hours of sleep and I feel a little bit sleepy. I was watching a bit of a vlog there, but I don't want to sit for too long and watch something, because I'm gonna end up getting sleepy and then end up wanting to sleep. Basically, I'm gonna end up sleeping. So I have a last bit of laundry going on, and then so I'm going to take it out of the machine and hang it up. I don't know if I'm gonna fold it today though. We shall see, because also later today I have to take a walk. So the plan today is get all my tasks done, but I need to get my 10K steps in. Let's get the day rolling and see how the day goes. But also the time flies so much, like it flies so much. So I'm trying to get as much as I can possibly get done. So yeah, again, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you subscribe, and yeah, let's get going. One of the habits that I've also picked up lately is drinking plenty of water. I can drink about 3 of these a day, and I'm generally somebody who does not struggle drinking water, especially in the summertime. Please don't mind me here. I was just singing my life away. But yeah, I do hear a lot of people saying that they struggle to get their water intake in. Not for me, child. It doesn't matter what I'm eating or drinking, water must be accompanied by whatever I'm going to consume. I was actually really tired on this day when I was vlogging. I had just been operating on 3 hours of sleep, but drinking water helped me stay awake throughout the day so that I can just complete my tasks and get everything I needed to get done. One of the chores that I absolutely hate is doing laundry. That's why I leave it to pile up for like 3 weeks straight without washing any of it. I wait for my clothes to just run out, like clean clothes, and then it is only when I'll start doing my laundry. And what I hate even more is folding the laundry and having to pack it away. My wardrobe space is very small, you guys. So each time I do my laundry, I have to reorganize it every single time. After I was done with my laundry, I had to get ready. I had an errand to run. I needed to go to a cosmetics store and grab a couple of essentials that I needed, because it was that time of the month and I was running out.
Quiet, you're meant to live by yourself. They do though. And then you have everything, but you're so. Oh, you complain when you have everything. Okay, this is my OOTD. That is from Surprise. Zuksha. Pens are from. Where are they from? I bought them a long time ago. I don't even remember. I think Jet or something. And then my slides are from Fashion World. I'm not gonna take a bag. I'm gonna head out now. Son! So, come on now.
Bruh.
Okay, it's around 6:30 now. So now I'm gonna take a walk, and I'm walking. I'm not wearing my sneakers. Let me show you what I'm wearing. I'm wearing these shoes that I normally wear in the house because those sneakers of mine, they're very uncomfortable. They have like a platform on the heel. So now when I walk, my feet, they slip to the front, ne? And then they cause tension in the front. So that's why I can't walk in them. Those shoes are just for looking good, not for gymming in them. But I will invest in some sneakers because the sneakers I had were very old and then I had to just throw them away. So yeah, and anyway, these shoes are very comfortable. I'm in the sandals, so who will see me? The whole point of this walk is to get my steps in, okay? And besides, people will think like I'm just doing a casual walk. They won't think I'm doing something like I'm being active. I'm trying to gym or something. So yeah, let's take a walk and see how many steps I can do. The goal is to do 10,000 steps. Yesterday I only managed to do 5, and I need to push myself harder and do 10. So check in with you when I'm halfway through, I think. Yeah. We are now at 6K steps. I think I'm gonna talk to you guys when I get home because it's quite dark right now and I don't want to be mugged, okay? I don't want to be robbed. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I get home. We are home. That's good. This is what we are having. I forgot to mention that after the walk I did about 11K steps, which was quite impressive because I was aiming for 10, but for me to achieve 11K steps was quite impressive, and I'm happy about that. Now it's time for us to do some homework. As you can see here, we were doing numbers on this day, and I love the fact that my child can do homework on her own. I just sit there and supervise. By this time, I had already picked up my laundry from the washing line, put it in the house. I didn't fold it though. It's a whole nother task on its own. After doing homework, we just got ready for bed. I still haven't come up with the ideal nighttime routine, but when that happens, I will let you guys know and I will showcase that in my vlogs. And yeah, that is how my life looks like as a stay-at-home unemployed mommy. This is exactly what I do on a day-to-day basis. Of course, I don't do laundry every day, but most of the things that were going on in this vlog are the things that I do every day. And that, my friends, is how we wrap up today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. If you do, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, leave me some purple hearts. I'll see you guys in my next one.